Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up After Effects for planar tracking basics step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects. Start a new project. Import your footage by navigating to File, then Import. Select your video file and click Open. Create a new composition by dragging your footage to the New Composition icon. Ensure your composition settings match your footage. Go to the Window menu and select Tracker. Locate the Tracker panel. In the Tracker panel, click Track Motion. Make sure the Track Motion option is selected. You'll see a tracking point appear in your composition panel. Adjust the tracking point by positioning it on a distinct feature in your footage. Ensure the inner square covers the feature while the outer box encompasses an area of surrounding details. Click the Analyze Forward button in the Tracker panel. Watch as After Effects tracks the motion in your footage. If the tracking point drifts, pause the analysis. Adjust the tracking point to stay on the feature. Resume tracking until the end of the clip. Once finished, click Edit Target in the Tracker panel. Choose a new null object to attach the tracking data to. Create a null object by navigating to Layer, then New, and selecting Null Object. Return to the Tracker panel and click Apply. When prompted, apply the tracking data. Your null object will now follow the motion from your footage. To verify, scrub through your timeline and observe the null object's movement. You can now attach other layers to the null object for further effects. Select the layer you want to attach. Hold the pick whip and drag it to the null object in the timeline. Now your layer will adhere to the motion tracked by the null object. Adjust your effects accordingly for the desired visual outcome. Review your work by previewing the composition. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.